Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use the dictionary feature in Google Docs. I'll show you guys how to do that. All you have to do is select the tools tab over here and select dictionary. Search your dictionary in the top right for custom words. For example, I'm gonna type word, press enter after typing it. Then it would gives you a whole dictionary breakdown of what the word is that you are searching for. Now if you want to search within the document itself, you just need to double click on the word and right click on it and select define quotation mark what the word is. Click on it and then it will pull it up in the dictionary of the right side here. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.